Hi friends, welcome back to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday, and as we can see, Nifty traded between this range. We had made a comment saying that this is a range for Nifty to trade in between. So it has perfectly respected this range and is trading between this range. So as usual, let's go and delete all the lines that we drew and draw everything from scratch once again. Moving on to the monthly time frame. Nifty is bullish on the monthly time frame. So as you can see, we have written bullish. Why is it bullish? Nifty is making higher lows. Buyers are buying at higher levels with confidence, and that's the reason we read it as bullish. Important levels. Previous all-time high is the area where we assume there are the maximum number of sellers or sell orders. Previous swing high is an area of support. Let's mark it in green. Previous swing low is the most important area of support in case Nifty takes a wild swing towards the downside. In between both of these, there's another level of support that I would like to mark up, that is the midpoint of the bodies of these two candles. If we assume Nifty is to fly to a higher level, then these two candles are an order block, and then Nifty shall fly from here. That's the monthly time frame. Going on to the weekly time frame, I have typed not sure here yesterday. For buyers, simply means Nifty is creating highs and lows rampantly, haphazardly, and I am not able to decipher what Nifty is trying to tell me. It's just like I'm not understanding the language that Nifty is speaking. This was a low, and that low was taken. Before this low happened, the bias on Nifty was bullish. That means every swing low was protected. Now this has been taken. So unless it makes a swing high, and then this is a swing high, and there will be another swing high here. So unless there are like lower swing highs, lower highs created, I cannot say bearish. And tomorrow and day after, if it means this week and next this week, I don't think it's making a low. It's making a low here. So in another next 2 weeks, if it makes another low that's higher than this low, then it becomes bullish. So it's a 2 week affair that we're talking about till we can create, we can see a bias, at least for now. That's what I think. This is a flat top and flat bottoms are areas of big sellers and buyers. Yes, today I got it right. I make a mistake and I mix it up every day. On a daily time frame, what I have written here is not sure. Let's see why is it not sure. Because this high, Nifty was constantly creating lower highs. This high was taken, and then it has been creating almost equal sized candles, one lower than the other. So it's a nice formation to see. You see, there are 3 candles here, 5 candles here, 3 candles here, 4 candles here. Very disconnected formations. Yeah, anyway, there's no bias on the daily time frame that I can think of. No flat tops, no flat bottom. There's a flat bottom here. Was it respected? Yeah, that's an old story. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. on a 4-hour time frame, yesterday Nifty was bearish. What is today? This was a swing high. This is now swing high. That's a lower swing high. And this is swing high. Yeah, so it is bearish indeed. Even if I just consider this and this, it's bearish. What is the high of this? 25,929.15, and the high of this is 25,929. Oh, these two have like the high of these two candles are exactly the same. 25,929.15, 25,929.15. Exactly the same high for these two candles. That's interesting. So let me just mark that level, just out of curiosity. And there's a flat top here. That's another level of support, of resistance, I'm sorry. And if Nifty decides to come down, major buyers should be at this level. Let me mark it in green. So in fact, if you say this could be thought of as the next target of Nifty. Why is this level important? Because this is a major swing low, and what's a major swing low? There is a swing low that's higher to the left of it and higher to the right of it. So that's a major swing low. Like there are like major buy orders in there. So now going to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame is bearish again. You see, it has been creating swing lows that are swing highs that are lower than the previous one. But this one is an interesting formation. If you see, because the previous swing high has been equaled at least. So this is the first time in my trading career that I see something like this. So I don't know if I should consider it a breach of the swing high or not. I would rather not consider it a breach of that swing high. So this is like swing high, lower swing high, equal swing high, and then is this a swing high? What is this? It is 25,851, 30.75. Okay, so this is not a swing high. So yeah, I would call it bearish. Again, I'm not sure of this scenario, but I would rather call it bearish. What is the next target of Nifty? Next target for Nifty is 25,693. That's this swing low. And if it reverses and goes up, then this could be a good, interesting level to watch. And then it's 25,980 on the top there. So that's it. Let's see when Nifty goes tomorrow. I might rather stay out of the market. I tried buying some puts today, but then from this reversal, my stop loss was not a big loss. It was a tiny stop loss. I was aiming for this target, which did not happen today. So that's it from my side. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. All this is just for education purpose. Thank you.